Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to disable and turn off the PlayStation 5's checkout password, so you can make a purchase without typing anything in. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So let's say you're trying to buy something from the PlayStation Store and you have to type in your account password before you can buy something. How would you go ahead and disable this or turn it off? So if we go to the PlayStation Store and then go down with the D-pad, then at the top we can see the latest deals, collections, subscriptions, etc. We scroll all the way to the top right to the three dots where it says more and select this. We can go down to purchase settings now and select this option. Now under here, we can see require password at checkout. Now I currently have this check mark. However, all you have to do is uncheck mark it, and it'll look like this. It won't be highlighted anymore. Now this says require that you enter your account password to complete a purchase. So now you can go to the PlayStation Store, and you can go to your shopping cart right here. You can make purchases without typing anything in. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.